Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make videos blurry on Capcut application. So first thing, you just need to open the Capcut, and after that you can start the new project, or you can also choose your previous project. So for me here, I already preparing the video, so I already have the several clips here, but then all of the clips have good quality of video, so let's make it blurry. So how to make it blurry is just by clicking the features downside here and go into the effects, and after that please go into the video effects and just type a blur on the search button if you have a difficulty to find it by yourself. And after you click blur, just go with search, and after that there will be appear every blur options that you can use here. You can just choose which blur effects that you want to apply into your video. If you want to this, just click this. If you want to this, just click this. Just explore everything. Okay, let's do it this. So after you clicking it, you just need to go with go back by click a cancels, and after that just need to click done. Now you can adjusting how long you will be applying this effects into your video. If you want this effect appear on all of the video that you have, just drag this end of the effects into the end of your project right there, and now all of your clip will be in a blurry mode. That's all the way how you make a video blurry on a Capcut application. If you find out and understand the guidelines that I give for you, don't forget to subscribe in this channel.